Hey guys, I've got a short video here to show you for how to access and use our online textbook. So like most things in class, you'll start with our Google Classroom page and then click on this coursework tab that you see here. And that'll show you and where most of the information is that we'll be using, and it should be organized by unit and so forth, so that by the end of the semester we'll have a whole bunch of units here, and each one will have all the assignments in it and so forth. But at the top is our textbook, and I'm going to click on that and click on the link that'll take us to our online CK12 textbook. And there might be a few things in here that look different on my screen than they do on yours, since I've got a teacher screen and you've got the regular student screen. The first thing I want to point out is the different chapters are listed here that are in the textbook. I'm going to click on the first one, and then that chapter is divided into different subsections, as you see here. I'm going to click on the first one, Scope of Chemistry, and I'm going to click on Start. And after the wheel is done spinning, we'll see section 1.1 in our textbook. And I'll invite you to look through this and read through this as part of the assignment that you'll be doing. There's a video and there's links, and you can learn more about some of the important words and things. So that's all there. At the end, there's a summary. There's a review. You should be able to answer those review questions if you read this carefully. And then there's this Explore More section. I might assign an activity from that from time to time. And then going down further, mine says View Practice. I wonder if yours just says Practice or Start Practice. But for your reading assignments, I'll have you click on that, and you have to get 10 questions correct to be able to be completed. And so it'll just keep on firing out questions until you answer 10 of them. So that's just a general overview of some of the basics of a section. I'll point out a couple other things. There's this toolbar or waffle up in the upper right-hand corner, and that has some different things on it that might be helpful to you, some related content. Sometimes there'll be an answer key or something, but you can look these things over. If you're more of a video person than a reading person, you might like those. So those things are there as well. I think that's all I need to do to give you a general overview. Otherwise, you'll learn more about it just by simply using it. So go ahead and you can keep working, and please let me know if you have any questions.